Say what, Stella? Oh, I guess I don't know. No, Stella. Who's in the book? Who's in the book? Is it George and Harry? Oh no, it's a Tweet Tweet. Tweet Tweet. Tweet Tweet Tweet. Tweet Tweet. Tweet Tweet Tweet. Tweet. Tweet.
If Gideon wants to give you a second chance, I guess we can too. I'll go get the
Stella. Hi, baby girl. Stella. Where you go? Look at that cute face. Look how cute she is.